How to score 7+ in IELTS writing, sample essay on celebrities. 2. Some people feel that entertainers are paid too much. Do you agree or disagree? Which other types of jobs be highly paid? It is contended by some individuals that entertainers are considered to be the highest paid as compared to other professionals. I strongly agree with this view, and I will explain this view with some relevant examples. There are various reasons which point out that celebrities are overpaid. Firstly, entertainers' salary tends to be much higher as compared to other professionals for the same amount of work. For instance, actors in the film industry are thought to get the major portion of the production cost of a movie. There are certainly other people who work really hard to make that work happen, however their reward will be very less and incomparable too. Secondly, entertainers seem to earn big money even for a short appearance in ads or shows, irrespective of their work. Although other individuals might earn a good pay, the difference will be much higher. Although entertainers contribute to our society and their efforts are really valuable, we should also consider other professionals who are definitely assets to our society. One among them is healthcare workers. In these days of COVID-19 pandemic, the contribution of healthcare workers is priceless, and we should consider to reward them nicely. Another valuable profession is our border security forces. They are indeed the ones who fight for our country and save our lives. If they are paid high as celebrities, more people will be interested in joining army, resulting in a more peaceful and safe country. Last but not least, teachers are perhaps the ones who make future generations, and increasing their pay might bring more talents, who can guide our young people. In a nutshell, it seems that there are other professionals who are equally important as entertainers, and we should consider paying individuals according to their efforts they put in and contributions that they make. www.onlineieltspreparation.com saccade@gmail.com +91 to 9,229,867,353